Welcome back. We are staying at Ludlow's Reserve on the bank of Lake Hume, Wodonga, Victoria. You have a partly grassed area and the temperature of the lake during the summer months is perfect. We were lucky enough to get here before the weekend and snag the last spot fronting the lake. Do love being able to make your coffee in the van. Check that out. So we are at Ludlow's Reserve. It's about 15 minutes out of Albury, Wodonga, and beautiful little spot right on the lake we've got. Gets very busy here on the weekends, but check this out. Happy there, Gibbo?
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Isn't it great? Look at that. Dip our feet a bit later. Great little spot, a nice big area, easy to get in with big vans. They do allow generators, but there is no water or a dump point here, but there is in Wodonga, and I think there is Albury as well. So what a beautiful spot, and the water temperature is beautiful, perfect day today. So if you're in the area, definitely check this spot out. Check me out.
That looks nice.
This reserve is a 24-hour rest area. There's a shelter, barbecue, toilets and a boat ramp. There's also a sealed bike track that stretches over 80 kilometres from Wodonga through to Old Talangata, out to Shelley, and it hugs the shoreline of the lake.